So 3 IDF soldiers killed in combat in Gaza, named released for publication. So this is today, January 31. I've been waiting for a strike, President Joe Biden has promised to hit Iran or their allies in Syria and Iraq, but nothing has happened. And I guess this is because Israel will be bombed heavily, even if if USA attacks Iran. We will see a lot of fighting around and in Israel, and this is exactly what President Joe Biden does not want. So I believe they will not attack Iran, because if they attack Iran, Israel will be bombed to the Stone Age. So this is why they will not attack Iran, because the other theory I have, why will they not attack Iran, inside Iran, maybe they will attack Iranian allies groups that are supported by Iran in Iraq and Syria, like Hezbollah al-Iraqi and Kataib al-Haq and other groups. So other potential that it was actually with the help of the Russians, they got information, and they got information that it is now they are like spying on the American base in Jordan. So they have the satellites, and the Russians, they have this equipment, and they knew when because the drone that killed 3 American soldiers, it went in when another drone was coming, American drone was coming back. So they thought that the drone was a friendly drone, and they let it go in and kill. So they thought that it was a failure. We can compare this to the 7th of October failure in Israel. They didn't predict Hamas attack, and the Americans, they didn't predict this drone attack, leading to casualties. So this is a failure on the side of Israel and USA, because USA is against the Galactic Federation, and Israel is controlled by the Galactic Federation. That is, we know that Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu is not in Israel. He is kidnapped and he's taken away by the Galactic Federation. I showed this evidence with footage, how their UFO ships, they are interfering in the war. So this was ignored by media and MSM, and they all claim that they support Israel, but they who say they support Israel, they don't. They support the Galactic Federation that have taken over the Israeli government on the 7th or the 8th of October. That's why they didn't help, and they let all these people get killed. So even the Israelis bombed their own in the Rave Festival and killed a lot. So this is now we understand that America does not want to have a war with Israel, although America does know that Israel is not Israel today. Israel is Galactic Federation, and these guys are the evil ones on earth. So President Joe Biden must know by now that he must tell the people, people in the world, but he needs to do it softly. You cannot go and say, oh, we believe now in UFOs, we believe in extraterrestrial, they have taken over Israel and they are not our friends, but we want to make this separation smoothly, diplomatically, without any more dead people. That's why America will